Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital forms of money that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. What's more, it is understandably, Ethereum is one of the most component-rich and intriguing blockchains out there. Other than being a staggeringly inventive innovation, Ethereum is likewise an incredible resource for venture. Dissimilar to little altcoins, it has to a lesser extent an opportunity to fail spectacularly, yet it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers galactic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to gauge how Ethereum's cost might act from now on. If it's not too much trouble, recollect that because of the eccentric and unpredictable nature of the digital currency market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be thought about while considering other factors. This video doesn't comprise speculation counsel. What is Ethereum? The most effective way to improve as a financial backer and increment your benefit is to look into the resource you're working with. While cryptographic money costs, in contrast to those of conventional resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend significantly less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend here and there on what the coin, token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability unexpectedly turns out to be particularly popular. As a renowned and well-known digital money, Ethereum and its usefulness aren't precisely covered in secret. A great many people have caught wind of its association with brilliant agreements, NFTs, and DeFi. Nonetheless, that is not entirely there is to that coin, since Ether brings much more to the table. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 and is well known for being a decentralized and open-source evidence-of-work blockchain with brilliant agreements usefulness. Not at all like Bitcoin, Ethereum has an uncapped inventory. Perhaps of the greatest test that Ethereum needs to defeat soon is its steadily rising exchange charges, or, as they required this specific organization, gas expenses. The more individuals use Ethereum, the higher those gas expenses become, making the coin's developing fame a blade that cuts both ways. Increasingly more cryptographic forms of money with comparative functionalities yet less expensive exchange costs and higher throughput, Solana, SOL, keep on arising. Notwithstanding, the execution and send-off of the consolidation will probably turn what is happening near and address in any event a portion of these issues. Toward the day's end, what separates ETH from different coins is the range of this cryptographic money's capabilities. Ethereum has a lot of cool highlights and plans for the future. To this end, this digital money is as famous among crypto financial backers for what it's worth. ETH isn't simply a speculative resource, it has genuine worth. OSD specialists are right now bullish on ETH temporarily. Besides, most long-haul Ethereum value expectations are positive, as well. Somewhat recently of 2021 and toward the start of 2022, the digital money market confronted a huge bear market and lost a fifth of its complete worth contrasted with the pinnacle accomplished in November 2021. The conflict and endorses in late February and WAC have, nonetheless, caused an enormous upswing in the crypto market. Despite the fact that Ethereum's possibilities may not appear to be essentially as brilliant as they used to a year prior considering the overall population's rising discontent with NFTs, the Ethereum convention is sufficiently enhanced to not allow something to like this dial it back. It has a ton of tasks creating simultaneously, and NFTs are only one piece of the riddle that is the Ethereum biological system. Is bullish on this digital currency over the long haul. They anticipate that it should hit $7,000 toward the finish of 2022 and get truly near $20,000 toward the finish of 2026. That is a 380% return in only 5 years. Specialists anticipate that Ethereum's, ETH, cost will keep on having short development, decline sprays prior to taking off to the moon in late 2022 Ethereum value forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum will be $1,867.07. The greatest level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,079.20. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1,952.15. ETH value estimate for September 2022. In view of the value changes of Ethereum toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,786.66 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,616.51 and at $1,837.71, individually. October 2022, Ethereum value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the ETH cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $1,773.05, while the greatest could reach $1,909.18 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,858.13. ETH value figure for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of Ethereum in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ETH rate they anticipate may be around $1,913.88 in November 2022. It can drop to $1,845.81 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $1,983.50. December 2022, Ethereum value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,952.15 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $2,079.20. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $1,867.07 in December 2022. Ethereum value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $2,846.32. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $3,410.85. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $2,926.10 in 2023. Ethereum value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum, in 2024, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $4,105.02 and $4,800.